read verse 8 from chapter 30 of 10th canto of Bhagavatam. Malat yadarshi vakachin amalike jatiyutike pritim vo janayan yata karasparshena madhava. Karasparshena madhav. Translation: the gopis are madly and frantically searching for Krishna. They're coming to their wits' end, going from tree to tree and flower to flower and tulsi. And it's interesting because first they went to the gopis went to the leaders of the trees. The leaders of the trees are the Brahma tree, the Vishnu tree Ashwat, and the Brahma tree Plaksha, and the Shiva tree Nyagroda, which is the banyan. And then after that they went to the first level trees, the masters and rulers of the forest, who were appearing as Ashwat, Plaksha, and Nyagroda. Then they went to the second string, the second class of trees, the Punaga, the very glorious and grand trees also, Punaga, Shok, Naga, Champak. And then they said, okay, we're not having any luck with the trees. They're all male. They're all puffed up. They're proud. So now let's go to the plants and flowers. So who is the ruler of all the plants and flowers? Tulsi Maharani ki jai. So that's why we mentioned that verse in Padma Puran. Krishna Jimani Nandani Pushpasara Tulasi Vishwapavani Vishwapujita Brinda Brindavani. On the Tulsi Vivaha Utsav of Tulsi's marriage to Narayan. And then on that special day, Krishna offered this prayer to glorify his most beloved Brinda Devi, Tulsi Devi. And that's there. So in that prayer we mentioned Pushpasara Tulasi, because she is, and this sequence of Shukla Muni's presentation and of the Gopis Krama are a sequence of which plants they're approaching to inquire about the location of their lost lover. Even this verse reinforces Krishna's prayer by saying Pushpasara Tulasi. Rather, that Tulsi is the essence of all flowers. So therefore, in verse 7 of chapter 30, first the gopis approach Tulsi. She's the queen. She's the queen of the flowers. As it's said, if a garland is there but there's no Tulsi, then Krishna won't like.